All right, I'm here with Tom Simpson. He's going to be working on a motor for Dale over here at Vintage Flat 4. But I tell you what, Simpson Racing Engines. Tom, what are we doing here?
We're putting together a pretty good stroker motor here. It's going to be a nice street engine. All the parts are here in this kit, and then what I'm going to do is go through. There's a bunch of internal work I do to the case for internal porting to reduce windage and that sort of thing, and I go over all the dimensions, and then we're going to get the rotating assembly balanced and get a little bit of head work done. We're going to go over the heads, and so it will be very smooth running, reliable engine, big CCs, but relatively mild cam for a nice torquey street motor. Should be a bunch of fun to drive this thing when it's done.
So I understand that not only is this a 2234 with a thick wall,
Right.
92s, there's something different about this street motor that most people don't do. What is it?
What is it? You got me there. What are we doing?
Oh, you got the Ron Loomis Street 6.
It has a big Ron Loomis clutch in it. And I don't know if you've ever seen these Ron Loomis clutches, but they weigh a ton. And it's a dual disc clutch, and a lot of people think they're just for racing. We'll know, in fact, that will make a great street clutch. They're very light on the pedal, but yet it'll lock up when you need it to lock up. But it's not going to be chattery, it's not going to be bitey, it's not going to be hard on your leg. And it'll work great on the street. People think it's too big, it's too heavy, it's too much. It won't be. It'll be wonderful. That's right.
That's excellent. You don't mind we take a couple quick looks here. We
Sure.
can't say who it is. Here's some other engine he's doing for somebody.
Yeah, so this was a GEX Fiasco that's going back together.
All right.
This is a single port 1776 that's all done.
Oh!
Stock otherwise, but it's a nice reliable thing.
Well, come on. If it's a 1776, shouldn't we have 48 IDAs on it? And, anything less than that, it's not Volkswagen, right?
This is going into a restored car just to be a reliable engine with a few more horsepower, really low maintenance, stock valve train, single port heads that I've done a little bit of port work to, and it's really snappy. It's probably 70 horsepower, 75 maybe. But
Nice.
it's all low-end torque, and it's going to be a fun little motor for them to drive and easy to maintain.
Well, I know you showed me earlier 2 other motors over there. Do you want to show us, or is that secret sauce stuff?
There's nothing secret about anything.
All right, here we go. We got something going on. Whoa, whoa. What is this?
This is my personal car, Porsche 912.
Woo!
Just finished a 4-year restoration on, but of course I couldn't leave the engine alone. It has that's actually a Volkswagen 2387.
2387?
Yeah, 86 by 94, Weisco pistons, FK8 cam, ported big valve heads, and it is every bit of 180, 185 horsepower in this little car. It's more than double the factory horsepower, so
Nice.
that thing really goes well.
And you got something over here.
Hiding under piles of stuff here.
Uh-oh. What do we have going on over here?
This is a 2110cc turbo engine that it's in mid-built. The long block is finished, and I've actually test ran it with carburetors. But what we're waiting on now is the rest of the turbo hardware, and that all costs money, and so this is a long-term build.
Nice valve covers there.
CNC ported heads. This is a CB engine kit basically. But
Nice. Nice.
very nice piece here.
And you got some old engines. I
So
tell you
that's
what,
the Porsche 912 engine. That's the motor that came out of my 912.
a real 912 engine.
Yeah, it's
I
tired.
tell you.
It needs rebuilt. So.
I tell you what. Well, I thank you for this little tour,
Sure, for my
and
mini shop,
the motor you're doing for me and one of my customers. And when it's at this level, I know where to go.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, we got to see that one last time there. There we go.